Hey, it's Mosh, Bari. Welcome to this video. In today's video, I will share how this one person made over $1 million from one place, one platform, doing one thing, selling one kind of stuff. And I will share how they used, what strategy they used, where I learned from, how you can use it in literally any platform, any place where there is a special thing called search bar. So their visitors come to those platforms and use those search bars to search things to buy. This strategy can be used any platform that has search bars. Okay, now to make money online fast, there is two thumb rules. Thumb rule number one is using other people's traffic, because traffic is expensive and traffic is slow. And number two is doing what's working for a long time and doing relentlessly without ever stopping. Now, video creation works for me perfectly. It works for me. Today, my staff are absent because it's weekend. So I'm not using the professional camera. I'm using my phone to shoot this video and a screencast software as well, of course, because I don't want to go through that tedious video editing process. But I don't have an excuse. I am relentless in making these videos. So I have such a nice idea to talk to you about that if you use it, you will make money from anywhere you want. It can be used in the platform I'm showing you. And of course, if you stick to the end of the video, I will share how you don't even need to use this strategy that I'm about to share with you. You can use completely passive and completely digital strategy, and you will be able to use my templates, my softwares. So you have to stick to the end of the video, okay? That should be step by step. I cannot just jump to the other part and give everything to you and you will not be able to use it. So please watch the complete video because the strategy is explained throughout the video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will be the first one to get notified when we upload our next video. Now, the platform I'm talking about is Etsy. It's very well known, but as I told you, it can be used, this strategy can be used anywhere, any platform. And the best of the best, the easiest way to make money online is to use other people's traffic. Now, we'll use Etsy as an example, as I mentioned before. Etsy has almost 400 million monthly visitors. Now, they have done all the hard work. They have built their platform, they got traffic, they got store builders who build stores on them, and they have search engine traffic, they have direct traffic, and they have social traffic. One interesting thing about social traffic I want to share is that they have 37% Pinterest traffic and 22% YouTube traffic. Super amazing, right? And if you look at their top referring sites, then BuzzFeed is one of them. BuzzFeed traffic is coming to Etsy. And from Etsy, a lot of people go to paypal.com, which means they go to buy something, right? So Etsy is a place full of buyers. Now, how many people made how much money? Literally, you can make hundreds of case studies, but I will show you one person or one company. I was looking for a keyword, gift for a woman. I love my wife. I love my daughter. So I wanted to look for some gift ideas for them. And I looked at a couple of 1, 2, 3, some good numbers, and I saw this one has a good number. Seems a pretty simple necklace type of stuff. Yes, a pendant necklace. So why not I just quickly look at the store? So I went to the store, and this is how the store looks like, okay? Now, this is store. I wanted to look more deeper because I'm a marketer. I want to see how they're making money, what they're doing, and the numbers I saw is amazing. Okay, they have 34,220 sales. So let's take the calculator here, 34,220 sales, okay, total. And from my research so far, I found that their average price starts from lowest I saw 24, let's say $20, and maximum 35 or 36 or 39. Let's take $30 as average price. It's 34,220 and multiplied by say $30. So that's 1 million, right? So they made $1 million in sales from this store. Now I will come back to you one by one how you can do it, how you can make it. You can make it too. It's very easy. But let's go to this particular listing that I saw when I searched for gifts for women. So now look at this. It has a $29 price point, and I am particularly looking at this because when I searched for gift for women, I saw this, which means Etsy is trying to push it. Reason being, it's selling high, it's converting. And another reason is when I looked for, I think I looked for number one items or, okay. So I looked for necklaces because necklaces has the highest number of listing. That means their necklaces are selling well. So when I clicked on necklaces, 218 listing total, I found this one at the top. So I thought, okay, let's have a look at this and break down what they are doing here. So I came to this page now and I found this big name. It's very, very suspicious. Why do they have such a big name? It can be just one beautiful necklace and they just can give one abstract name and expect sales. That could happen, right? But no, they didn't do that. They added dandelion necklace, gift for woman, her girlfriend, best friend, necklace, birthday, nature, glass, jewelry, memorial necklace. Wow. Then I remember this video I watched some time before, and I like this video so much. I highly recommend you, if you are interested in Etsy or if you're interested in any kind of using other people's traffic and selling on any other platforms like Fiverr, Etsy, Amazon, eBay, then you should use this video as one of the references. You should learn from this. This lady, her name is, I apologize if I pronounce her name wrong, Kara Buntin or Buntin. I apologize again. Find her channel and find this video. I will try to link it in the description. This will help you learn how to rank your Etsy listings. And this is one important thing she taught about it, is that we should never sell to everyone. We should sell to one person at a time. And that's exactly what they are doing as well. I'll show you. Okay, I'll come back to that point. This next thing is, when you sell to one point, make sure you understand the people will search for a particular person or a particular type of people, not for everyone. So if you are selling a pen like this, okay, and you're selling the best pen for students, then it should be for students. And again, you can sell the same pen again, but you have to, at that time, you have to mention the best pen for busy moms if you're selling to busy moms. But you should not mix up saying the best pen for everyone. When you're selling to everyone, you're selling to no one. And when you specify people, okay, to whom you are selling, then you can easily rank faster, and only specific people will find your listing, and they will eventually buy, and you will eventually sell more. So I'm going to show you how this store is managing, but let's talk about the keywords that they are using in the title. So I learned this from this video, that you can use titles, you can use tags, you can use keywords in your videos, and you can get ranking for specific people. So I went to Ubersuggest, my favorite keyword and audience research tool, and I found these keywords. All right, I broke small chunks of this keyword. So let's say dandelion necklace. When I searched for this, I found 880 people per month is searching for this particular type of necklace. Want to share coffee? Okay. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you'll be the first one to get notified when we upload our next video. Get ready to be excited. Now the next one is gift for women. You can expect a huge number of searches, right, per month? Gift for women, 74,000 searches per month. Now this is a bit broad, but it will come down to narrower keyword. So her girlfriend, her best friend necklace. I searched for her girlfriend, I didn't find anything, but I found best friend necklace. This is amazing. I never expected. I had no idea that this type of keyword exists. Maybe you know about it, but I didn't know about it. People are actually searching for best friend necklace. And look at this best friend necklace, 22,000 searches per month. And best friend necklaces, best friend necklace for 2, best friend necklace for 3. These are all high searched keywords, high volume searches. Wow, amazing, right? Now the next one, I looked for memorial necklace, because I found here, look, memorial necklace. And I saw memorial necklace has 8,100 searches. So they are smart. They're really, really smart. They put all these keywords in one place and they're very specific. They know about their audience very, very well. Now, how can you mimic this whole thing and make $1 million? Well, now let's go back to what they have done with their store. Number one, this is Some Magic handmade jewelry. So this story is about jewelry. It's about specific niche. It's for specific customers, not for everyone. So their image, the header image, shows what they're selling. Very clear and very specific. You see their name, you see their logo, and you see their welcome message, everything. It's talking about that specific audience, the specific niche. And then if you go to the number of products, you see 862 products. Now this is a fair question. Why do they have so many products if they know what's selling, if they can sell so well? It's because even they don't know what's gonna sell and what's not gonna sell. So not only they probably are, this is just an assumption, I didn't go through all the products, but they probably are selling the same thing to multiple audience, and they're selling multiple products to the same audience. So gift items will be for gift for women, will be in multiple cases. We may search here, okay? They have done the hard work for 862 products. So now how can you make money? How can you start making money? You can use Etsy if you want to use Etsy. But if you don't want to use Etsy, you can use Fiverr, you can use Amazon, you can use eBay, whatever available in your country, whatever you like the best. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you'll be the first one to get notified when we upload our next video. But what's important here is you have to do it for a long time. The same exact thing. Mimic their success and do it for a long time. One product you will get $10 and 10 sales. Another product you will get $100 from 5 sales. Another product will continuously keep selling. Another product will be completely lost in the search engines. Nobody will know them and nobody will buy them. No problem. But look at the number 862. So if you work for 365 days, so 862 divided by 365 will be 2.36. Let's say if you take some time and add 3 products per day, then end of 1 year you will have 862 products. And some of them, again, I told you before, some of them will sell more, some of them will sell less, and end of the day, end of the month, end of the year, you will make a lot of money. How much money can you make? I have no idea. You who is going to add products, start marketing, and keep improving in terms of product quality, in terms of customer service or customer rating, in terms of shipping, in terms of everything that they are doing. One very important thing here is look at their ratings. They have over 5-star rating. It looks like 4.5 or 4.9 star rating, something like that. Rating above 4 is crucially important to get recommended by any platform, whether it's Amazon, eBay, Etsy, or Fiverr, or anywhere. So that is it. Start doing. Now you might be asking where you will find product from. Well, this has no end, absolutely no end. You can get products from AliExpress. A lot of people do that. I'm not sure whether it's still good or not, but when we do it from local sources, from multiple sources, and we go all out, look for product suppliers, and we talk to other people. We look all around for high quality products. It's not only AliExpress. If you do source from only AliExpress or only from one place, there is a type of, I would say, nature or behavior in every platform. So they share similar attitude, mentality, and behavior. So if you only source from one particular source, it might be a little challenging to get highest quality and highest customer service to your customers. So in my opinion, that is the place where you can spend a little time on finding proper source for your products. By the way, as I told you before, this type of listing, this type of store, or this type of product is not crucially important, because in the link in the description, and of course I will try to put it somewhere on the video, I have another video where you will be able to sell digital downloads, and I will give you my template as well. Okay, digital downloads on Etsy without any issues with this, shipping, etc., and your customers will love it. That's an awesome video, an awesome niche to go for. Etsy is awesome. And if you learn this whole idea about selling to specific people, optimizing your headline, optimizing your listing for a lot of people based on search engines, and then you continuously, relentlessly do it for a long time, your profitability will add up and you will make millions of dollars guaranteed. That's how it works. And that's what's gonna work for you as well. So let's do this. Yes, if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you'll be the first one to get notified when we upload our next video. And yes, of course, link in the description, and somewhere I'll put it here as well. There is another video that shows how you can make money from digital downloads without going for physical products. So hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.